Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and like the video. Thanks for your support. Now let's go to the video. We've said it before and we'll say it again. The biggest challenge facing of adoption in America today is an inadequate charging infrastructure. There aren't enough public charging stations across the country, and many of the existing chargers are unreliable. The one major exception being Tesla's supercharger network. Tesla's network is large, reliable, and fast. The only problem was that the network was exclusive to Tesla vehicles, which exacerbates things for non-Tesla EVs. To its credit, Tesla took the risk and made an early investment in building its own network, which now seems to be paying off in a major way. Volvo is the latest OEM to make the move to NACS ports in 2025, making it the first European automaker to do so, like Ford, GM, and Rivian before it. Volvo will make the NACS switch on its EVs like the XC for a recharge and the EX90 in 2025. In the meantime, an adapter will be made available for current Volvo EVs with CCS ports, so that they can access Tesla's supercharger network. Those adapters will start to become available in the first half of 2024 according to Volvo. This industry shift started in May when Ford announced that it would be switching to Tesla's NACS ports starting in 2025, with adapters serving as a stopgap in the meantime. Less than a month later, General Motors revealed that it had struck a similar deal with Tesla and would also make the move to NACS. Later in the same month of GM's announcement, Tesla rival Rivian joined the NACS movement. As more OEMs make the switch, it should make things much easier for EV drivers by providing more choices.